My video is about getting rid of the fake human verification alerts related to the site onevanadvllc.com. So this site onevanadvllc.com is totally deceptive. Today it attacks Google Chrome and it may also affect other browsers. It tries to make you click on a special allow button, supposedly to help users confirm that they're humans and not robots. But the point is that it's a mistake to click on allow. If you do that, your browser would be hijacked and infected with a lot of pop-up windows that will be attacking the screen in the form of web push notifications. So, if you have mistakenly clicked on allow, you should fix your browser. Access the menu, settings, choose privacy and security, then site settings, go down to permissions and choose notifications. At this point, pay careful attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. So you now need to remove all these junk sites from the list. One by one, get rid of them. I also recommend that you investigate your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Download it, install the program, and begin researching your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.